In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Notion Knowledge Base AI assistant. Whether you're an organization looking to streamline your information management, or just an individual hoping to keep everything organized, setting up a knowledge base can significantly improve your workflow. To begin the process, you'll first want to make your way over to Google. Simply open up your web browser and type Google in the search bar if it isn't already your default homepage. This step ensures that you start from a fresh, navigable space that's familiar. Now, once you're on Google, the next task is to search for a knowledge base AI assistant with integration to the Intetikian automation tool. This template will be the anchor for our setup. In the search bar, type in Knowledge Base AI Assistant with N8N template and hit enter. The search results will populate, providing you with several links and options to explore. Among the top search results, you'll find a link that directs you to this specific template on Notion's website. Go ahead and click on it. This link takes you directly to the template page, where all the features of the Knowledge Base AI Assistant are highlighted. Once you've familiarized yourself with the layout and features, you're ready to proceed. Here's where you personalize the template for your use. At the top of the page, there'll be an option labeled Get Template. Clicking this button adds the template to your Notion workspace. This is an essential step, as it allows you to customize and tweak the template according to your specific needs and preferences. After you've got your template, you'll see an option that says Add to Private in your Notion account. Clicking on this will integrate the template into your private Notion space, ensuring that you have full control and privacy as you begin crafting your knowledge base. This step is crucial for keeping sensitive information secure while you're setting everything up. Now, within your Notion workspace, look for the section labeled Company Knowledge Base. It's important to click on this section because this will be the main area where all your collected knowledge, insights, and data will reside. From here, you can start adding content, embedding links, and organizing information into different categories as needed. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully set up a Notion Knowledge Base AI assistant. This setup will not only improve your data management, but also save you time and effort in the long run by providing an intuitive place for your information. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find your new Notion knowledge base beneficial.